The government is committed to making public engagement a cornerstone of policy making. We have enhanced our efforts to engage stakeholders in policy making, explaining policies, getting feedback, and tweaking policies to better benefit people from all walks of life. Last year, Madam, we embarked on a national conversation on the kind of home we would like to have in the future. Across governments, many similar conversations have been taking place, and Singaporeans have responded very positively. We have to continue along this vein, listen carefully, and consult widely before a decision has to be made at some point. Even as government expands on our public communication efforts, we are aware that there's room to do better. Where issues appear complex, we have to learn how to explain in bite-sized fashion, in appropriate ways for different audiences, such as the elderly, especially policies that have great impact on our people. Many policies have benefited from Singaporeans' inputs and ideas, and the government will continue to bring people together to co-create long-term policies for our collective future. At the same time, in any public engagement or policy-making process, we need to realize that there will be benefits, competing interests, and trade-offs. What may be of importance to our homegrown businessman may not appeal to a graduate fresh out of school or a retiree. Some people get cautious or defensive at first glance, but may later realize it is a good move when issues and trade-offs are discussed and explained. We also have to move towards not just engaging our stakeholders, but encouraging them to share ownership and run programs with our support. Several of our agencies are already moving in this direction, giving room for our philanthropists, community leaders, experts, and volunteers to play their role as active citizens. And to this end, we will continue to build skills and abilities within the public sector to better engage and involve stakeholders in policy making, in responding to ideas and feedback, and giving them space to take ownership. Beyond the intricate modeling and far-sighted data and analysis we might have for policy making, we will continue to build capabilities to better understand the various stakeholders and aspire to cater to the different needs. This will always be a work in progress to keep in step with changes in society. Public communication and engagement are critical in building and keeping trust as we go forth and progress further as a people, as a nation. And that is how we have come this far, and will do more to go further.